Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you see from the title, I'll be making Kids Body Glowing Oil, a body butter or an oil that will help you so much to nourish your baby's skin, keeping it healthier, clearer, and with no rash. Yes, this will not cause any rashes on your baby's skin. So what I have here is shea butter. So I still have other ingredients which I'm going to be introducing soon to you, and we're actually going to be melting this butter, to turn it into an oil. After turning it into an oil, then you have to mix other ingredients. Just keep washing. You have to get a clean bowl. Make sure you sterilize all your equipments. Make sure there are no dents, because this is something you have to apply on your baby's skin. You don't want to attract germs on her skin. So I'm going to scoop out 1 tablespoon of my shea butter into the bowl. Ensure everything is clean, as I said. If you want to make more amounts, just double the ingredients. This is just showing you how to make it, mix it yourself. Okay, just make the quantity you want, double all the ingredients if you want it in big amounts. So I'm going to melt it. You can do a double boiling method, or you add water into another bowl, then you place it on top like this to melt the butter. Make sure the water is very hot to enable it to melt faster. As it's melting, let me introduce the next ingredient to you. Next one we have here is carrot oil. Carrot oil is very nourishing for babies, for adults. I love adding it into my baby's cream, into my kids lotion, and it has been helping so well. So you can add it into your body lotion as well as an adult, and your skin will glow beautifully. Carrot contains nutrients, carotenoids, that will help to nourish your skin, glow your skin, protect it against harmful damage. Okay, it will also help to clear away blemishes, dark spots, and the rest. So it's best to make it yourself, but if you can get a very good carrot oil, that would be perfect. I made this myself. If you want to know how to make carrot oil, I'll be leaving the link in my description and also in the comment section. Okay, so just get a carrot oil and your baby's skin will be so lovely. Another wonderful oil is almond oil. Pure almond oil, sweet almond oil, they all work effectively. So almond oil is very sweet oil that babies love a lot. Like, baby skin love this oil a lot. If you apply it on your baby's skin will look so well nourished, well natural, like no blemishes, no spots. It will look so supple, so beautiful. Almond oil contains vitamin E, very good for everyone. Okay, this is an oil that will not darken the baby's skin. It will not cause any allergy, like seriously. So you have to get it and add it into this wonderful oil mix. Okay, so here's our shea butter. I'm still trying to dissolve it, to melt it. So after melting it and allowing it to cool down for some time, because it's still very warm, you have to start adding the oils. Then I will be adding 1 tablespoon of almond oil like this, and I'm going to add my carrot oil as well. Half tablespoon of carrot oil. After adding it, it's time to introduce any essential oil of your choice. But when adding essential oil, make sure you add a very mild one that will suit baby skin and not a harsh one. So you just add any flavor, any one you love, like lavender, tea tree oil, but tea tree oil can be a little harsh on baby skin, so you just have to add just about 1 drop of tea tree oil. For lavender, 2 drops of lavender. You will love the smell of these essential oils. So I'll be adding my sweet orange essential oil and it will do a good job. So here is my orange essential oil, my sweet orange essential oil. I love the smell of this oil so much. For this quantity, you don't need to add too much, just a drop, and it smells wonderful. The purpose of essential oil is to treat any allergy, protecting the baby skin. Yeah, just 2 drops, 1 drop is enough. Remember to increase the quantity of this if you want to make it in large amounts. I'm just showing you how you can do yours. So here is tea tree oil. You can decide to add just a drop as well to treat itchiness, rashes and all that. This is smelling so nice. Okay, so go ahead and do a good job by mixing it thoroughly. Wonderful. This is an oil that when you apply it on your baby's skin, you will come and thank me later. So just add any essential oil of your choice, lavender, tea tree oil, sweet orange oil, you know, just name it, but make sure the one you're adding is not harsh on your baby's skin. So the next thing you have to do, you can leave it in this form. Most people, they love oils on their baby's skin instead of butters, and it will just glow their skin. It's still the same, okay? So you can decide to keep it in a room temperature or store it in the refrigerator for some minutes. It's going to return to solid form. So I'll go right now to store it for 5 minutes in the freezer or fridge to return to solid form. I'll be right back.